could have been easier on you. I could have been all you held on to. I know I wasn't fair. I tried my best to care about you. About you. We have become alien. We have become alien.
All my flaws to see, but you still love me. Yeah, you still love me. Oh.
So what am I fighting for? Tell me, is there anybody out there? Am I swimming through this empty sea alone? Am I looking for an answer? Or am I trying to find a way to get back home? When you tell me I'm a wreck, you say that I'm a mess. How could you expect